Hello YouTube. So as you can see again, I'm already in the tank top, so that means the session has finished. And back at Paul's place, watching some football, gonna watch some Invincible again, that's my stuff. But today we just had a nice chest and back session. We kind of had to rush it towards the end because the gym was closing. It's a Saturday, so they were like, yo, get out. So it was very good, but I think I'm gonna give you guys a little pose down just so you can see what the physique is looking like. The weather's not great, the lighting's not fantastic, and obviously it's not gym lighting, so you'll get to see what we're looking like just with a bit of a pump, but also it's been a little bit of time that the pump has died down, so more or less like what I'm just looking like in general. It's a slight pump. I definitely have noticed that. Okay, I'll pull it off. I'll probably put up the videos of when I did like my first little like morning check-in when I was starting to come back into the gym, so you can see like what this body was looking like with no training. I'll probably just slap that up somewhere here. Definitely noticed like my chest filled out again, which is great because that's one of the parts I'm like always trying to grow. So the fact that these are slowly coming up, I can't even pose that way because it's dark, but it's a little something going on here. And I think I just heard Arsenal score, which we don't like to hear that, but it's fine. No cheering. Yeah, not looking too bad. Decent. Yeah. Like how I'm looking, I'm slowly have gained my weight back, not exactly like to where I was before, but I've definitely been gaining back and just like filling out overall, which is great because yeah, looking at myself before was a bit disheartening, and yeah, it was a bit scary, like knowing like where I've been and like where I am now. Well, at that point, so yeah, that was a bit tough. Now when I look at myself, I'm like, okay, like this is where I used to be. This is the guy that I know. So slowly we'll now get back to normal and then just get higher and higher and higher as my eating comes up and training, just continues. I think, yeah, let's just get some men's physique because that's where we're starting until we get to classic at some point. Well, I'm still trying to decide whether I put this at the beginning of the video or at the end of the video. But yeah, if I'm putting this at the beginning, then yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the workout. I know I did. It was fun. Once again, chest and back day is always just a fun day. Let Paul decide. Just always random stuff. So yeah, like it's always just, what do we feel like doing? And then do we get a pump? Does it feel good? And yeah, today definitely felt good. So yeah, sit back, relax, enjoy that. Or I hope you did enjoy it, and you can see the results of today's workout looking not too bad. Oh, no, no, no. 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 That is not happening. Wow. Poor guy. Okay. Well, I was trying to talk to the camera, but I can't squat. I can't. My legs are messed up. My calves are ruined. I did legs earlier this week, then did boxing, and then my cousin hit me with a massage gun. Ruined. What I wanted to say is I'm trying to get to that 30 kg dumbbell incline press. So I'm gonna play it by ear today, and I'm just gonna work up to try and see how close I can get to 30. Last week we got to 25, which I hadn't touched for a while. So I'm not really gonna push too hard on all my sets, because just for my ego, is to see if I can get at least the 27s, because that's the one just before the 30s. But we're gonna see if I can get there. I don't recommend this, like no ego lifting. Like if my form is bad, I'm not gonna do keep pushing. But yeah, just to make me feel good on this Valentine's weekend, see if I can get at least something next from what I've got recently. Yeah, so that was 22.5. Just did 8 reps just to feel that I can keep progressing. I'm gonna skip the 25s and go to 27s, because that's just usually how I would work up to my 30s. I'll start on 20, 22, 27, 30. Because also I'm not trying to do a million sets also.
Yeah.
The 22s felt quite decent. I could have gone more reps, but I just saving some of the tank, because I've really hit chest this week, and I really, like I said, for my ego, I just want to see if I can get to 30s or at least touch the 27s. Like I said, don't lift weights you can't, but I'm gonna see how close I can get to that point. That 8 or 9. Okay, so got my 30 kgs for, we're not sure if it's 8 or 9 reps. We have to run the footage. I think it's 8 and then an attempt at 9, but I'm more than happy with that. Like I said, I haven't touched these 30s in about a year basically. So my ego is very much inflated right now. I'm super happy. And yeah, now we're gonna go carry on hitting back, and then one more finisher for chest, and yeah, then we're good. But it's a win in my books. I'm super happy. And you know, when you actually eat and train a bit consistently, things happen. The one time I like the 10 kgs being smaller, because they reduce the size of all the 10 kgs plates. Because when you have bigger plates on here and you try and do a row, they're super big, they get in the way, hit you in the chest, wind you a little bit. Don't like that. But now that they're small, can stack up quite a bit of weight a little easier and actually move the weight. So trying this out, haven't done this in forever. I think it's the first time Paul's doing it with me or doing it at all. So we'll see how he deals with it.
I don't know why you left me bleeding. With a broken heart, tell me if I deserve this feeling. I thought that you know that we had something special till you end up all this way. Please tell me why you left me bleeding. With a broken heart, tell me why I deserve this feeling. I thought that you loved me, I thought that you need me till you end up all this way. Have you forgot all the moments while we had were so true? This world was made for two. I did it Feelings change and